Crude oil and net gas both behaved precisely as we expected. Crude oil getting resistance at 80. I have mentioned it is only a buy if you see it is staying above 80. Beautifully, it has reversed from the $80 levels. And yet, remember the fact where were the support I had mentioned 78.8. It has come back to the support levels and it can try to retrace further towards 80, 78.5, 78.4, but it's still not bearish. Likewise, net gas, beautifully, net gas has now achieved $2 levels which we were waiting since long. So, now what to expect from crude oil and net gas with the US session? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment as well. Yes, to get the twice a day notification, you should press the bell icon. Let's start first oil followed with gas. Watch till the end. And yes, do join the channel memberships here in order to get the benefits additional. Now look at the hourly charts for oil. See, it has been trading bullish here. You can look at this. You can look at this. It has come to test the support levels here. And that is why I say 78.8, 78.5 is the support level, which I will be watchful of. Any drop below 78.5, 78.4 is where the bears are waiting. Else, it is still not to be treated bearish. It is just staying in the bullish channel. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2-hour charts, you can look at divergence and bearishness looking downwards. MACD trading with again here right now. If you look at the moving averages, not MACD, but these are certainly trading bullish, layered one over the other. But also one must notice this was the consolidation zone before it given a breakout, and it has again come back to the support levels. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. MACD has crossed over here. It is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned why there could be little retracement. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3-hour charts, if you look at 3 hour, now see on the 3-hour charts, there is a wall out here at $80 levels. There was a breakout last week, but again today, $80 levels have proven out to be a wall so far. But one must also notice, see, this was the rise, and it is still, I will see this as a bullish channel as of now. Do not treat this as bearish. Remember, 77.7, 77.8 is the level which is going to be the next milestone which oil needs to break in order to confirm a reversal and confirm. And in order to achieve, yes, we can sell here at 78.8. Once you see the higher price below 78.8, you can expect it to get the support at 78.4, 78.5, and below which you should treat this for 77.8, 78 as the targets. The stochastic has come to oversold. MACD trying to cross over here for sell. First red candle trying to look downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts, it has retraced. It has come to 20 period moving average, taking the support here, trying to trade in bullish, and thus I will definitely see this as a support here for the crude oil. Yes, it has come to retest the 20 period moving average. Stochastic has come to oversold. MACD is trying to converge. One more beautiful thing I have showed you on the 4-hour charts earlier in the day. See, look at the pattern here: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now again, it may try to go back on the upside. It is still not to be treated bearish. But on the MACD, yes, though it has a scope, but right now it is on the verge of a crossover. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily. Now look at the daily charts: rise, retracement, rise. Possibly it could retrace here. Yes, trying to trade in this bullish. Also, one must notice, see what I had shared. Look at the 2 green candles, then consolidation, then a breakout, and now getting the resistance. It is trying to reverse here. Now also one must notice the 20 period moving average is also sitting at around 77.8. So that is going to remain the greatest support for oil on the downside. And remember what it has done. See, look at the formation here: rise, retracement, rise, and it could potentially retrace a little. However, I will still not consider this as bearish as long as first 77.7, 77.8, then 77, and then 76. 3 greater support on the long run. I am saying on the long run, on the daily and weekly charts, it has to break below 76 in order to confirm the great reversal. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is in green. RSI is looking downwards. Considering this for the day, how to profit? See, only bullishness today is above $80 levels. That is the only level beyond which you should consider this as bullish and you can buy. And then also I will recommend you to wait for a double top levels at around 80.4, 80.5, and only if its oil stays above 80.4, 80.5 zone, rather I will say 80.5, 80.7 zone. That should be the first resistance zone, and if it stays above this, then we should treat this as a breakout towards 81.5, 82.4 zone very soon. Yes, 80.5, 80.7 is the zone you should watch out for on the upside, and you can buy at $80 levels. Till then, you have to just watch. Sometimes it's better to watch, not to jump in too early. And on the downside, selling entry is only recommended if you see it is staying below 78.8, 78.9, 5 zone, yes, this is going to be the support zone. You can sell at 78.8, but be careful at around 78.5, 78.4 as the first targets, then 77.8, 78 as the next support level. And if it stays below 77.8, that is the point of time you can treat this as bearish, and we can look forward to a drop towards 77 levels and 76 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. But and before I give you the trading levels for natural gas, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch starting today. And if you are not able to join this, or if you have not yet joined this mentorship batch, enroll for the next batch, that is the 30th batch starting from the April onwards. You can register for it, reach out to me for more details, and also you can be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals you can benefit. For any of your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel, you can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram. And those who ask me to recommend a broker, you can find the recommended broker here in the channel and video description. It is a safe broker with presence across the globe, regulated, and yes, it offers a swap-free account with least spread. So do join this, and do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates as well. Now let's have a look at natural gas on the hourly chart, certainly staying bullish. It has beautifully given a breakout. It has hit $2 levels here. Yes, now we have to wait for it to break beyond $2 levels, which is a greater resistance as of now. See, though I will look forward to 2.0 to 2.05 as the zone, which is certainly achievable in net gas, and in fact beyond that I will look forward to 2.1, 2.2. Yes, we are bullish on net gas. It is showing a reversal after. Look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence, bullishness, and this makes 1.92. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned, suggested 1.92 is the only level below which you should sell. It has failed to break this. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. Coming to on the 2-hour charts, retracement, then the rise, and moving averages are now climbing up, making 1.9, 1.92 as a greater resistance on the downside. Stochastic rising as well. MACD is also divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts here. Rise retracement, again a rise, and it is staying in this bullish channel. Possibility for it to retrace adjust towards 1.9 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought here. Coming to 4 hour, now look at 4-hour charts here. Rise retracement, rise, and potentially it could retrace, and that is what you should look for. See, 1.94, yes, if you see it is staying below 1.9495, you can sell here, but then wait for it to break below 1.92. That is the only level where you can say now it is turning bearish, and we can look forward to 1.9, 1.87 zone. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. Rise retracement, rise again, and this could be the first bullish candle, and it could deliver a second bullish candle in succession as well. If you look at the movement here, I have mentioned very clearly that preceding two candles were consolidation and a breakout it is given, thus it may try to stay bullish. But if you look at the highs here, this is something you should watch out for. Breaking beyond 2.0 to 0.05 is where we can look forward to 2.1 and 2.2 as a clearly achievable level. Stochastic overbought, MACD. Now, why it is rising? Look at this. And those who follow me on the daily, weekly basis, you should find out I have shared this, and it is ready to form a W pattern reversal, which can take it towards the peak. RSI is rising as well, certainly a bullish line. So considering this, a buying entry at $2 levels can be taken. 2.0 to 2.05 are the two resistances it needs to break. Beyond that, it is going to hit 2.1 directly, and then in fact we are looking forward to beyond 2.1, we are looking forward to 2.2 as well very soon. So take your positions accordingly. On the downside, a selling entry is only recommended if you see net gas is staying below 1.94. You can sell at 1.94, but then 1.92, 1.9, very good support here. Below 1.9 is where the bears will be seen, then 1.86 level can come into picture. However, I still see that it may try to stay bullish for possibly next few candles. So take your positions accordingly, but still you have to trade with caution, you have to trade safe, because yes, it is going to enter into overbought levels. A slight retracement cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you.